Good evening, ladies and gents. So I just want to do a very quick video for you tonight just to show you how much new stuff has come into Leonardo AI in the last few months. Now I do want to get back into this kind of stuff because I am absolutely loving watching AI develop, and Leonardo is just getting better and better and better. Before I actually go into this though, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, all that lovely fantastic stuff, and let's explore Leonardo AI together. So just in the last few months we have had a huge amount of image and video models come into Leonardo, so I'm just going to explore a couple of them tonight in the video category. So I'm going to go into video here and we're going to look at LTX 2.0 Pro. However, you can see there has been loads and loads of video models come into Leonardo. Now obviously each one of these will have a different cost in terms of credit, so you need to go through here, try and figure out which one's going to be the best one for you credit wise to exactly what you need. But I'm going to look at LTX 2.0 Pro and I'm going to look at Helio 2.3 because I've not actually used either of these, but the credits on both of these are very good. So the first video I am going to do is LTX 2 Pro, and this is going to be a 6-second full HD video for 360 credits, which is absolutely insane pricing. So I'm going to hit the generate on that. Our prompt for this one is a man using dried orange slices to decorate Christmas decorations. We've got Christmas coming up, let's get some Christmas videos going. But prompt enhance is on these prompts, so obviously that is going to be expanding upon the prompt. That is going to be making it a little bit better for me, and we're just going to see the difference between both of these models for ourselves. So this Helio was 200 credits cheaper than LTX 2.0 Pro, but as we're just waiting for both of these to actually render up, we've got Sora on here, we've got VO on here, we have so many different models on here now, it is absolutely insane. VO is still fairly pricey, Sora is really pricey, so just bear that in mind, although saying that actually Sora 2 isn't so bad. Sora 2 Pro really expensive, so just bear that in mind. 4-second clip here, we're looking at 1200 credits, although saying that I think VO3 actually still takes the cake on that one, so 1080p 4-second, it is very slightly more expensive, although the pricing has actually come down somewhat since I last used this, which is nice to see. When I was doing this before, VO3 I think was about 2,000 credits for a 4-second video, so it was insane pricing. Looking at this, the first video has actually rendered up, so this is the LTX 2.0 Pro, and yeah, pretty happy with that. That's pretty decent. If you're just kind of looking at that, scrolling through kind of TikTok or Instagram or something, you just saw that, it would be very difficult to make out that this was actually AI. Honestly, the quality of AI videos is just improving so quickly. It is absolutely insane from where we are now compared to 2 years ago. The difference is astronomical, and it is becoming more and more cost effective for everyone to get involved with this as well. So as we were waiting for this last video to render, I will put a link down in the description box below for you, so just have a quick look at that. That will just take you straight to the Leonardo.ai page. I don't get any kind of kickback or any affiliation or anything with that, so it is just straight up. Make sure you go to the right Leonardo AI page. You don't want to be getting scammed. Go on there, get in the account. The pricing, again, as we're just waiting for that other video to actually go through, I'll go through all the premium plans because these do change sometimes. So I am still on the apprentice plan. That gives me 8,500 fast tokens, and I have a rollover of tokens as well if I don't choose those tokens. I think realistically though, if you are going to be using AI, you want to be going on to the Artisan Unlimited really, because this will give you 25,000 fast tokens, and then you can actually carry on making stuff after all your tokens actually goes out, but at a slower pace or a relaxed pace. Although to be fair, if you are not using the models, if you're not using Leonardo AI during the peak times, you're going to find actually this is kind of really good, and it's still going to be making it pretty damn quickly. But $30 a month, pretty cheap, I would say, for what you're getting for that. Obviously your rollover bank actually goes up as well, so you can actually keep a lot of the tokens if you need to save up for a certain thing. Maestro, I don't think you really need unless you are really keen on making AI videos, but to be honest, Artisan Unlimited I think is your best bet at the minute. Going back to our video, let's see if it is rendered. It looks like it might still actually be taking some time, so just gonna wait for this to take, because it is subject to queuing during times of high demand, which apparently is right now on a Saturday night at 10:20 in the evening, which is quite strange. But I'm just going to leave the video going, and we're just going to see how long it actually does take. Alright then, so that took about 5 minutes in total, and I have to say that is a incredible video that, again, you're scrolling through TikTok, you're scrolling through Instagram, you are not going to realise at a glimpse that this is AI. This is absolutely, like, it's just mind-blowing how fast things are developing. Like I said, this is only 2 models out of lots of models that are currently available on Leonardo AI. Leonardo makes it just so much easier than any other program to really get on with, because it has all of these models being inbuilt into it. As long as you become a subscriber for Leonardo AI, you are going to have access to all of this. And this is just the video models. The image models, there are even more, which is absolutely insane. But I need to have a look through the images. I need to have a really good go. I haven't done actually much in terms of AI image stuff in a while. I've been playing a lot with the video stuff. Really enjoy kind of just finding kind of different ways of playing with this and prompting and everything. So I'm going to do more and more videos like this. Please do let me know what kind of videos you want to know. Do you want hint videos, tips videos? Do you want just kind of examines into the different models and what they are going to be giving you? Please let me know down in the comments below. I will respond to each and every one of you. Thank you very much for watching, folks. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, and I hope to catch you in the world of AI.